Idagana fu inasi. Mashafu ina medamase Odo-ba sereni eneno hua se mebana mabeka ghetto program no ho asem kakune the progress the ayetimi aye so far iti ghetto Odo-ba Ghetto Anidaso Ministry no amacho ya dibia enye adia ye pese ye ditina fa course iti ebi obi wo ghetto bi no person reach out to us and I say opedwumaji na ye no pese ye bi won ghetto hono ni training for certain skills ni yetimi eden atweomo getting them in their right mind everyone for ghetto wa e patro betimi reach out to Odo-ba Ghetto Anidaso Ministry ye beba wasue ho edanyame ase baby a odiya abedru. We are doing a whole lot of things including cognitive behavioral change therapy ye dia ka ye program ne ho se wo besesa nipa wo se start fi na adwun so wo besesa tibie bia a nipa ye involved wo se start fi nipa na wo pese wo sesa mo tibia na start fi o mo adwun mo se ye ko ghetto we won nyama bi e friend basic needs e nipa nyama wo se nipa enya ti se ye mfa ni se nsuo nyame to nsuo ma obia mframa nyame di ma obia nyama bi wo ha nyame ahye se enya de a wo se nipa bransa na wenya a basic needs asa nyama no na nipa nya etimi bo nipa mana na adwen no eda ho ama nipa ne timi ede efa adwen kese ana nipa ne timi eje bibi ewo ne bramu ema ode ye de edipo bra na ode koso wo bramu ghetto we beka se Odo-ba na adenti na umfa usika na se wenya bibi papa opese wo ya adenti na umfa nko baby na ode ko ghetto is some place a baby anyame akoma ewo pan nyame akoma ewo ghetto nti na wo so bia so etimi ade support ghetto for so do nyomo ne ye nete but say ntimi ansiesie won a yemfa ne bibi to say bia infection bia spread if you ghetto na bia mo environment ni nkoyi omu nya the right education na say infection is spread there say no so e beka yen sa pepepe na say bia ye no mu interact if you mo ba market ni ade mo ko parties ye no mu interact bia 1-2 parties bia obi akosho obi ni na ko fabi anani na ko empaso so ya re bia say won be nya bi we na lecture say ghetto post nya education in Kwalampo school komu ghetto for nkola so mo ko school ma many papa also ba fifty ekos nkola sisi anu nkola no na omudi omunkomo bebre e wo school omudi nkomo bebre wo school they affect each other's lives a lot it will be feel so me ba ma training ni say na matete me ba no wakwa ko hia obi ba foforo e bi fi ghetto ono so woni training omubedi nkomo me kan sen bebre and then sisi ampo they spend a lot of time in the school more than the home it's nkomo the way they influence each other a lot. Nowhere. And I was saying to me, as a sad, when say, oh, way and famine, way nyame back. We na semu mfame ho I will say nipa jiara asem efe nipa ho. I've set this ministry up based on this foundation. Luke 7 from 42 to 47. Yera Yesu eka asem bi ho. Jesus mentioned something there about why some people love a lot. Adentina odo nkofo wo odo bebre ema omo yonku nipa echen ebinu. Adentina nkofo ebinum wo odo bebre emanyame echen ebinum ni na chwese se ebia me ti se me Odo-ba from me childhood ebisi impempenso amadu nipa chwe me do bebre nyame so ka chwe me do bebre nyema bebre me hu se enye nipa na enye nyame a embu a nka me ndu bebia me du ye iti ama me so odo ahye makoma mu ma se me so me de mebua me yonku nipa nyame a chwe yen do yen so yen yonku nipa aboa yen no yen kai omo ahun yen mu yen kai omo ghetto one try say ye be boam si e boam a in fact omo do ebe ye kese enti mestre say yen na yen bom yen bo ghetto na at least basic needs I was say ni penya no omo sanka basic needs e bi ni sen e bi ni mpa mpa wo moda so beds ebi ni nsuo water potable water nsuo papa ebi ni covering ntoma wo de beka wa wo ho anajo nkola mosquito nets nkola the streets kempe mosquito nets ema wo no fanda. You should find them mosquito nets, you should find them beds, you should find them coverings, you should find the ladies in buying these sanitary pads. And then finally we can work on a better place for them to stay. Yeah, sure say beti me warm some skills. Omode be de omode be ye juma ade abom pra. Inti sam boy na mesre adofo Ghana-fo mpanyinfo e wo Ghana. Say yam wo ghetto for. How far can I go? Menkwa ma ho de yesen. The Ghana for Mumboa, Ghana mpanyinfo ministers, so NGOs, support groups, church organizations, political heads, the president John Dramani Mahama, the Odo-ba Ghetto Anidaso Ministry. Yet me this agenda in helping to change people in the ghetto, putting them in their right minds to be able to make good livings for themselves. Timishremu Odo-ba Ghetto Anidaso Ministry awa atu